Today I'll be reviewing this three-piece set from Garvee Furniture. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this was actually pretty simple to assemble, this three-piece Garvee Furniture dining set. This is available in a variety of colors. As you can see here, I will give you a closer look. We got it in the color black. It has two large stools. It also has one dining table. If you'd like to make the set bigger, you actually could purchase another dining set and place it next to each other, giving you a larger dining table along with a total of 4 chairs. But as you can see here, I currently have the 2 chairs. I'm going to give you a closer look on that. So here I have one of the chairs pulled out. As you can see, it is a nice, tall, standing chair. This seat is cushioned, so it's nice and cushioned. It is also sturdy. You can see it also has the backrest. Very nice material. Take a look. And it's also a very slim style, modern design. So you can see down here, it does have a footrest. Has that H-shaped footrest. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back of the chair. And take a look. That is what the back of the chair looks like. Nice and sturdy. I think this is perfect if you're looking for a smaller space, if for an apartment, a smaller dining set. Now let's take a look at the table. As you can see, it does have these metal edges. Makes it nice and sturdy. This is what it looks like on the edges. Very nice hard wood top. And as you can see, going down the middle, it does have a footrest as well. And it has that H shape, so it definitely is sturdy. Now the great thing here is the chairs. They do slide right underneath the table. So take a look, they slide right out. And once you're finished, you can go ahead and slide them right back in. This is perfect because it gives you a lot of space to work with. Take a look, it fits right under the dining table. Super nice. And like I mentioned, it is available in a variety of colors. Now the table itself is nice and sturdy. As you could see, very nice. You could actually clean this, wipe this down. I like how compact it is. Definitely perfect for smaller spaces. Super cute look and feel. Take a look. As you can see, this dining table is perfect for 2 people. Just slide the chair out. And I do like that they are higher stools, so they are nice and comfortable. You could lean back and rest. They're nice and sturdy, taller chairs. And also, like I mentioned, I do like that it has the footrest, so you could simply lay your foot on the stools. Very comfortable, very nice. I love the cushion, and they're actually pretty lightweight. So once you're finished, you could simply slide the chair back in underneath the table and giving you a lot of room and a lot of space. All right, so I'm going to show you how it looks like when 2 people are sitting at the table, just so you can see that there is plenty of space in the table itself. Take a look. You could have some drinks, you could have plates. Very nice and spacious area as your dining set. So if you've been on the lookout for a new dining table, this is available in a variety of colors. I definitely check this one out. Highly recommend. Easy to assemble, very lightweight, and it is pretty spacious. So overall, if you want to check this out, I'll actually link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.